Akshada, the fan at its best. We have started our journey to manufacture and distribute highly efficient ceiling fans using world-class technology and testing arrangements to ensure the best quality product. Also, all our fans are tested in laboratory according to Bureau of Indian Standards and are manufacturing help to produce high-quality product. All our high-tech equipments are operated by highly skilled production staff and a strong and very experienced engineering and management team. We are having complete manufacturing facility in-house to cater the best quality and time-bound production at various levels. An ISO 9001-2008 certified company, we adopt product quality development process through extensive research and market study. We have various models available to meet the different requirements of our customers, such as sizes, colors, and designs. In case you require more information, please visit our website www.akshadafans.com, or we would love to hear from you on mobile number 8390908076.